I'm going to guess that you clicked on this for one of two reasons. One, you're thinking about having a video, but most likely you did it because you're thinking about not having a video and you wanted to know what I had to say about it. A lot of brides and grooms right now are choosing not to have video. They choose not to have video because there's a lot of information going around on the internet about photography is so important. The images are the most important thing, so scratch video, get photography. And really, I want to give you the best advice I can give you on this subject. If at all possible, have your wedding filmed. Not just photography, but also video. The reason it's so important is over the years, I know that the quality of video has not been that great, and I know a lot of us have this vision of Uncle Frank with this huge camera that has a VHS on the side, and he's walking around taking video. And I hear so many people say, oh, how many times do you look at your wedding video? I'm going to guarantee you that you will be so grateful that you had this video instead of just photography. What happens is photography important? Yes, but what happens is when you're looking at your photos, you're just looking at flat images. But when you watch a video, all of your senses come back to you. You remember the sounds, you remember the emotion and the feeling of the day. And when you're a couple getting married, I hear the same thing at the end of the day. You didn't see very much. You didn't get to experience very much because, one, you were just riding on all this adrenaline, and the timeline was so busy. There's so many things that you're going to miss. But when you have the wedding video, it's not videotape, but when you have it videotaped, then you get to go back and watch it. You can hear the toasts again. Then you're going to be able to hear the vows. You're going to hear all of the fun that your guests were having, the music, everything else that's involved in the wedding. And one of the reasons I like to have you watch it again is because you're going to then be able to not relive the events, but actually live them because you missed so much the first time. Now you can go back and see all the fun that everyone was having. Let's face it, you're going to miss most of the wedding. You're not going to remember a lot of it. And this is the best way to be able to live your wedding over and over again. Find an experienced professional, someone that has a passion for this. Ask to see copies of their work. Don't just have your friend or someone else set up a camera in the corner. I promise you, if you spend the money, let me put it this way, if you invest the money, it will be something that you cherish for years to come. Happy wedding planning.